Welcome to Dynadot. In this video, we'll show you how to create a smart folder and organize your domains. Smart folders make it easy to manage multiple domains at once, perfect for bulk changes and staying organized. First, after signing in, go to the left side menu and click on My Domains. Then select Folders. Next, click the New Folder button. Type in your folder name. Then click Save Folder. That's it, your smart folder is ready to use. To move domains into your new folder, head back to My Domains and click Manage Domains. Check the box next to the domains you want to move, then click the Folder button at the top. Pick your folder from the drop-down list and click Move. Your domains are now grouped for easier management. Friendly tip: you can edit folder names anytime by going back to the Folders section. And that's how you create and use smart folders at Dynadot. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Dynadot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more domain tips.